The deciduous forest is a fertile biome known for beautiful life that thrives in the spring and summer and dies off in the fall and winter. It is a habitat for thousands of organisms in both the United States and abroad. However, over the last few hundred years, these majestic forests have been destroyed by humans as we have expanded our cities, grown our population, and polluted these formerly pristine environments. Today, the dwindling temperate deciduous forests remain at risk to further human destruction. We must stop this abuse.
Deciduous forests are found in Europe, stretching from the British Isles to France through Central and Eastern Europe as far as the Ural Mountains. In East Asia, these forests cover Eastern Asia, Manchuria, Korea, and Japan. Deciduous forests also cover the eastern region of the United States, spreading from the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean and south to the Gulf of Mexico. South America has two big areas of deciduous forests in southern Chile and the east coast of Paraguay. There are also deciduous forests located in New Zealand and southeastern Australia. The growing season in the temperate deciduous forest is approximately 6 months long, where the forest thrives from excesses of sunlight and warmth. Throughout the other 6 months, the non-growing season is due to temperature-induced drought during the cold winters. Shorter days during autumn stimulate plants to withdraw chlorophyll from their leaves, allowing a brief display of other pigments before the leaves are shed from the trees, and plants enter into a period of extended dormancy.
There are 5 recognized vegetation layers in the temperate deciduous forest. The first layer is the tree stratum, 60 to 100 feet high, dominated regionally by various combinations of oak, maple, beech, chestnut, hickory, elm, basswood, walnut, and sweetgum trees. The second is the small tree or sapling layer, with younger specimens of the tall trees and shorter plant species such as shadebush, sourwood, dogwood, and redbud. The third layer of the temperate deciduous forest is the shrub layer, often made up of plant species in the heath family such as rhododendron, mountain laurel, and huckleberries. The fourth layer is made up of perennial forbs that bloom primarily in early spring, and the fifth layer is made up of ground layers of lichens, club mosses, and true mosses. These lichens and mosses also grow on the trunks of trees. Animals in the deciduous forest range from eagles, black bears, and coyotes to white-tailed deer, tawny owls, and northern cardinals. These animals are at risk from poaching, fragmentation, and human litter. They are hit by cars and lose their homes when humans destroy the habitat. These animals can be protected by limited poaching and habitat fragmentation. When highways are built, humans should put in wildlife crossings to allow animals to walk across without getting hit by vehicles.
The plants in the deciduous forest thrive off the fertile forest soil along with the moist air. They have adapted to the moist summers where they get available nutrients from the air and can survive the mild winters to prepare for another summer of growth. The soil in deciduous forests is fertile and enriched with decaying litter composed of fallen leaves and dead trees. The soil is at risk from air pollution, which contaminates the soil and limits growth. Air pollutants also kill wildlife and destroy forests, harming the delicate plants and animals of the deciduous forest. The deciduous forest climate is due to the fact that it is found in the mid-latitude section of the Earth. Because the deciduous forest is between polar regions and the tropics, it has a mid-range of temperatures with both mild summers and mild winters from cold air from the polar region and warm air from the tropics. Temperate deciduous forests are located near oceans, which keep air temperatures stable by absorbing many of the sun's rays and trapping the heat over the ocean water. This heat is carried by winds, which heat the temperate deciduous forests. As the oceans get warmer, seawater evaporates and rises into the atmosphere, raising air temperatures and creating precipitation. Precipitation levels from the ocean are crucial to the plants and vegetation in the deciduous forest.
And that's basically everything there is to know. Thanks for watching.